Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about top 3 hidden AI Studio use cases. And let me be very honest with you. Most people think Google AI Studio is just another chatbot playground. That's not it. I have been working with Google for more than 6 years now and with Google AI ecosystem near about 3 years. And what I'm going to show you is how many of us use it in our day-to-day lives, building, creating, and prototyping with Let's Go. But quick question before we get started. If AI could save you 10 hours every week, would you use it? A food for thought. Because use case number 1 alone might save you more than that. To hop over to Google AI Studio, log into aistudio.google.com. I will give you the URL in the link in the description. You don't have to search across. And once you land in this page, you will see something called Home and Playground. And in the home page, you will see Build AI apps, chat models, monitors API usage, and bunch of other options which Google keeps releasing every time, like Nano Banana, insane use cases where you can generate lot of images and make awesome stunning visuals, right? VO 3.1 again for video and many more things. Let's start with the use case number 1, building apps. To do this, click build apps, and in this area there is a secret sauce which most people don't talk about it. So you can pick and choose the model here. You can go with Pro 3 Flash. I will default go with Gemini 3 Flash because it's for demo. And most people ignore this system instruction, and that's a clear disaster. If you're trying to build a website and if you ignore this, you are going to miss out a lot. For example, for this demo, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to develop a website for Gen Zs, and you can write your own instruction using best practices for HTML, CSS, coding framework with clean code and documentation for understanding. So that's the instruction I gave after picking the model, that is Flash, right? And I choose React. You can pick and choose Angular, something else as well. So once this is done, that's it. And here you type a prompt. For example, I want to create a electronic store e-commerce site for Gen Zs. It should include all the basic features, must-have features for e-commerce website with responsive design suitable for mobile usage and a checkout page. And there is much more you can do. And it is beyond the boundaries of prototype. Take products, e-commerce website, and then I do build. That's it. And behind the scenes, it starts generating the code. And I will talk about a lot of the features and capabilities which you might have missed out. You will see code here, and the app will get started for building. It will be slightly fast than the Pro model, the powerhouse model, if you are trying to explore. So what it happens is, instead of you writing thousands or 100 lines of code, I just simply described an idea, right? And it starts creating no boilerplate, no painful setup, no blank screen, just idea to prototype in minutes. And this is how you can use it for any new ideas or prototype. Think of it as a Netflix of your app ideas. And you can browse the templates, preview the app instantly, and download the code to make it more production ready. Once it's ready, you can hand over the code to developer for making it more production grade, and remix this also and share it with your team. And this becomes very powerful because it gives you choice, React, Angular, and you can easily download, right? Let's see. While the output is coming, I'll show you some bunch of other use cases, right? I was talking to download, right? You can download this app in a zip format and share it with your team. And you can sync to GitHub if you have a GitHub profile. The best part I love about this is about deploying the app into Google Cloud Console Cloud Run. If you have a project, you can directly deploy it. That's as easy as that. So let's say you want to share it with your team. You can share it and copy link and just give this link and permission to your colleagues. That's it. So you can see here, if I want to share it, I want to type in the email IDs or something like that and done. So I will not do that. So now you see the website has been done. See these photos, how fast it created, right? And that's not all. In case you hit an error, you just type in fix this error for me. And if you want to deploy, as I said, I will show this feature. Go here, and I'm already connected to Google Cloud Project. This is my project behind the scenes, and I will just deploy this app. Deploy app, it starts validating the code base, and Cloud Run is your stateless container managed service for Kubernetes, and it tries to deploy in that. And if you want to integrate this with more authentication integration, you can easily integrate with Firebase. I have done this in my long video slightly before. You can see this, and the app is ready. When I click this, I set this tab. See this app, beautifully done prototype. Imagine how much time it took. It was all happening while I was speaking, right? This is use case number one. Let's move into use case number two. Imagine you want to generate a podcast style. You might have already seen Notebook LM, right? Powerful research writer tool. But there is an alternate option. You might not have discovered it yet, and that is in AI Studio. And it creates studio quality voices. But the hidden feature is multi speaker audio. You can generate full conversation, podcast episodes, interviews, dialogue scenes from plain text. You can literally write, well, Speaker A, welcome to the show. Speaker B, thanks for having me. And keep continuing it in different natural sounding voices. And it can be different human pacing, real emotions, different voices. And we already see this used for podcast education and even for accessibility apps or audiobooks and faceless content creation. No microphones, no recording, just text to voice in seconds. And let's see that in action. And I go back to home here and I click chat with models. And here you say text to speech. And I choose any one of them. You can pick and choose of your choice. I go with 2.5 Pro TTS, that is text to speech. And here you come where you do it. So you can also give the instructions. Let's say you want to say the podcast style discussion, if you want to name it that way. And you might be wondering where to get the script. And again, pro tip for you, and let me show you something. While I was trying to record, I said I want to develop a discussion on a podcast style, highlighting both pros and cons of agentic era between two speakers. So I have Alex, I have Sam. So this is speaker one, speaker two. All I need to do is just copy paste this text back to the speaker. So for example, I am back here in the speaker one. I paste the text here and I will go back to my Gemini console, of course, which you don't see it. I am just trying to come back and copy paste the text here. Similarly, you can keep adding dialogue. Let's do one more. So that's it. And everything is ready now. And you can choose here single speaker or multi-speaker. I said multi-speaker. And you can control the temperature. And speaker one, you can speak and choose the voice. Let's say I go with Puck, for example. Speaker two, you can go with something else like Sharon. And you can keep changing these things, right? And once that is done, just click run. That's it. Your podcast style narration and discussion will be ready in few minutes. And let's see the output. See the amazing part which Google AI Studio does it in few minutes.
Welcome back to
So it has generated, and let's see the outcome.
Circuit Breakers. I'm Alex, and today we are talking about the A word. No, not just artificial intelligence, but agentic AI. Sam, for the people who think this is just another way to say chatbot, can you set the stage?
Right. So if traditional AI is a smart calculator, you ask, it answers. Agentic AI is more like a digital intern. It doesn't just answer the prompt, it plans, uses tools, and actually executes the work. It has agency.
So you heard that, right? How interestingly and how fast it did that, and it get you the insane output. Now move on to use case number three. And this is my favorite one because I sometimes use it for my presentation preparation and all those stuff. And you will see in the real time how I do it. And this feature is live, and this turns Google AI Studio your real-time creative partner. Nope, not prompt, wait, repeat. You literally have a live conversation with Gemini. You ask questions, refine ideas, design apps, debug logic, generate audio, all inside one uniform workspace. And this is how many of us brainstorm now. No tab switching, no context text. You say and get the work done. So let me go through this AI Studio and let me go back here and chat with models and real time here. And this is the one, audio. And you see talk to live here, and it might ask some permissions or sharing your screens, right? So let's say I don't want to share the screens, and I want to have something like here, system instructions here, as I said. So for example, I want Gemini like to work like a good expert presentation coach for me. Give me real-time feedback on my presentation. And of course, you can have slides and everything. That's it. And I click this. So this is saved. So this is saved now. And let me talk. Hi, Gemini. You there?
Yes, I'm here. How can I help you today?
Yeah. Can you help me fine tune my presentation as working like an presentation coach for me?
Yes, absolutely. I can help you with that. I'll listen to your presentation and give you feedback on things like your pacing, clarity, and engagement. Just start whenever you're ready.
Thank you everyone for your time. Today I am going to hear demystify and demyth the world of generative AI for everyday people, for day-to-day usage, for productivity. And many of us feel overwhelmed as a common man. And generative AI is not only for software engineers or techies sitting in classroom windows or software AC offices. It is for everyone to improve their productivity. For example, you want to order an grocery and you want to build an app for that. You can use Admin Studio, the tool which you are seeing here, and get easily started. For example, you want to get a recipe which you might have prepared in the past and written in a hand note and you have lost it. But now you can give that either in a voice mode or in a talking mode to Gemini and get started and get your answer back. And there are many such examples which can help you improve your productivity in day-to-day life. And this is how I've written an example as a clear, practical guide in my book, Demystify Generative AI for Everyday People. Thank you. Hey Gemini, please give me feedback.
Overall, your pace was a bit fast, which made some of your words harder to understand. Also, you used the phrases everyday people and day-to-day usage a few times. Varying your language might make your presentation more engaging. Would you like specific examples of how to vary your language?
Thanks, Gemini. I'm good for now. Thank you for feedback. Very helpful.
You're welcome. Let me know if you'd like to go over any more of your presentation.
No, I'm good for now. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Feel free to reach out if you need anything else.
So that was Gemini Live. How easy it is to get. So I randomly blurbed on this approach without preparation, of course. On my book, I have written Demystify Generative AI for Everyday People. So it gives you real-time feedback presentation coach. So it gives you feedback in real time. And it's a great platform indeed, right? And you can share your screen and ask Gemini what this screen is about, right? For example, you want to share a screen on certain website and say, what is this? It can give you a detailed summary of that. Do explore and comment in the section. Do comment in the section, how did you go with all these three features? And let's have a recap. So we saw how to build an app using plain English, natural language, create multi-speaker audio instantly, podcast style, work with Gemini live in near real time. This is not just an AI tool. This is a new way how to make AI more productive for everyone. If this helped you, hit that like button and it tells YouTube this matters. Subscribe for more such AI updates and generative AI updates, of course. And comment Gemini below. I would like to share more such hidden tricks and tips about Gemini. And this is Pritham. I'm signing off for you now. And thank you for tuning into my channel. Once again, thank you for your time.